we just arrived here in Sedona, Arizona, and it is absolutely breathtaking up here. We are staying in the Village of Oak Creeks at this beautiful Airbnb. It's 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's got a 2-car garage. I'm going to take you guys inside and give you a full house tour of this beautiful home. So right here is the front door. I really love this green color, and I love this stucco color on the outside of this house as well. Right when you walk inside, the first thing that you notice is how tall these ceilings are. This is just breathtaking and such a statement when you walk in. Right when you walk in the front door, they've got this beautiful painting here and a plant. So right here you've got your huge dining table. You can fit a lot of people around this. And then in here is the kitchen. Very beautiful countertop. I like how they did a different countertop on the island, this really pretty white, and then they did the gray back here on the rest of the kitchen. And we also really love these cabinets. I love how sleek and modern they are. And they've got a really nice huge sink right here with this beautiful black faucet. You guys know I love black faucets. You've got dishwasher, coffee maker, huge fridge. You basically got everything that you would need in this house. They've got a whole bunch of spices over here by the stove that you can use. And all of these drawers have got everything that you would need to cook in this kitchen, and they've got a microwave down here as well. This really big drawer right here has got tons of silverware and knives. Like I said, fully stocked kitchen, everything that we are going to need to live here for a couple days, a little toaster oven. And I think one of our favorite things in this house might be this metal wall. This was Jalen's favorite part. I really love how they did this. And I love these 2 black elbow lights that they have up here on the wall. I would love to do some of these in our house, probably a little bit smaller ones. This house has got a very modern vibe to it. I love all of the unique light fixtures that they have. Over here is the big living room area. This is very comfy, black leather sectional, coffee table, and this very unique chair over here in the corner. And we were just talking about how much we love all of the big paintings and pictures that they have on the wall in this house. We're just getting so much inspiration for our house from this house. Over in this corner over here, you've got another little sitting area where you could sit and have your breakfast, drink your coffee. And they've got this really unique piece of art over here in the corner. It just really adds to that modern vibe that this home has. So over here on this wall, you've got sliding doors that go out to the patio, but these are not just any normal sliding doors. You can pull on these and it opens all the way up, so you've got the indoor-outdoor living. And out here you've got this beautiful patio with all of this seating, but the best part about this patio and this sliding door is the view that you have out here of the beautiful red rocks. So this house has views of Castle Rock, Apache Leap, and also partial views of Cathedral Rock and Bell Rock, which we can see from our master bedroom window. It's just absolutely beautiful. This door over here goes into our master bedroom, so we can walk out here on the porch if we want to. And then over here you've got a nice grill. If you want to do some grilling, we'll probably grab some hamburgers or some hot dogs and definitely do some grilling out here while we're here. Like I said, this house has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. 2 of the bathrooms and 1 of the bedrooms are over on this side of the house by the front door, and then the master bathroom and bedroom is over on that side of the house. Right here is that front door that we came in, and then you come down this hallway. They've got some really pretty pictures as you're coming down the hallway. So this first bedroom is where the boys are going to be staying, and this is where they're currently sitting in here on their iPads. They call this the rainbow room because they've got a rainbow picture here above the bed. Really nice sized guest room in here. It's going to be perfect for the boys. They've got a closet right here. There's a TV in every bedroom and the living room. And then right in here is the hall bathroom. This is really beautiful. I think my favorite part of this bathroom is this beautiful tile that they took all the way up to the ceiling. And I would love to do this in our master bathroom, to just take the tile all the way up to the ceiling when we do that. This is a beautiful vanity with a pretty countertop. And then this mirror is very unique. You just push this button here in the middle and it lights up LED all around the mirror, which I think is so awesome. Okay, so let's head back the hallway to the second bedroom. We've got another beautiful painting here on the wall. Right in here is the second bedroom. This one is a little bit bigger. This is a beautiful guest room. They've got a screen in here as well, nice big bed. And then there is a very nice sized closet in here. Lots of storage. You could put all your suitcases in here. There's some extra blankets and a pillow in there. And then you also have a door to outside right here as well. So you can walk right out onto this side patio. So let's head back up the hallway and we'll head over to the other side of the house and I'll show you the master bedroom and bathroom. So back over on this side of the house is the master bedroom. Really nice size master bedroom. This is huge. Got a nice wooden fan on the ceiling. I love the nightstands in here, how oversized they are. I want to do oversized nightstands in our master bedroom too. There's great big windows in here, which is perfect because you've got amazing views of the Red Rocks from here. I can see Bell Rock over there. You can sit in the morning and look out at the Red Rocks with your coffee. And then right here, you can walk outside as well, out to that back patio like I showed you guys. And then over here is the beautiful master bathroom. This is stunning in here, and we got so many good ideas for when we do our master bathroom renovation. And this bathtub is absolutely stunning. It's huge. I'm definitely going to be taking a bath in here. I love that it's black on the front and white. It's just so sleek and modern. Over here you've got this nice huge vanity. It's got the same cabinets as the kitchen, and then this beautiful countertop, and then it's got that same mirror as that guest bathroom. So if you turn on, which switch is it? Turn on this switch right here, then you get the LED as well. And then right here, you've got a really nice sized closet. You could fit a lot in here, hang up all of your clothes, have your suitcases on the floor. Right in here is the little toilet room. This also has the little pocket door that you can close. And then there is a stunning walk-in shower over here. I love the tile that they did in here. Similar to the type of tile that I would love to put in the shower in our master bathroom. I love this like hexagon tile that they have here on the floor. And then they've got this amazing setup over here. There actually is a steamer in this shower that you can turn on. And then in this door right here, just down from the master bedroom, you've got the washer and the dryer. These are really nice. And then right beside the laundry room is the door that goes out to the 2-car garage. So we were able to pull our truck in here. This is really awesome to have because it is very hot here in Sedona. I think it's like, what was it when we pulled up here? It's like 108 degrees, which of course we don't want our truck sitting outside in 108 degrees. So it's nice to be able to pull it in here. Nice big size 2-car garage, and yeah, I think that is the whole house. We'll head back out to the main area. If you're coming to Sedona, we would highly recommend, like I said, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's right here in the village of Oak Creek. You're just a couple of minutes away from all of the hiking, Sedona, everything. And a big thank you to Lance, the owner of this house, for allowing us to stay here and film this house tour. I will have all of the links down below for this home if you guys are coming to Sedona and you want to stay here, you want to see more information about this beautiful home. Just go and click those links down in the description box. And yeah, we are really excited to spend a couple days here in Sedona. We're going to try to take you guys along with us as we go hiking and go and try out some of the restaurants. Our favorite restaurant in Sedona was the Cowboy Club Grill. The food was absolutely amazing. The service was amazing. It was such a neat restaurant inside, so we would highly recommend. And then right beside of that grill is the Black Cow Cafe, and you have to go there and try some of their ice cream. It was the best ice cream that we had ever had. So good and creamy. It's a little bit pricey, but it's worth it to try at least one time while you're there. There is so many cute shops in Sedona. You could probably spend a whole day just shopping, and I would highly recommend that you come to this courtyard area and walk around, go to the shops. I will have the name of it come up here on the screen because I can't quite pronounce it. And then we would also recommend the Silver Sun West. This is such a neat place to walk through. It seemed like it would never end. As soon as we started to walk through, it just seemed like every corner that you would turn around, it would be another shop and another one. It was just like a whole bunch of buildings built onto each other, and there was outdoor shopping as well. It was just really neat to walk through. Some stuff was quite pricey, but a lot of it was handmade or it came from Mexico. So if you come to Sedona and you only have time to go into one store, definitely come and walk through this one because you'll get to see a lot. There was a little fish pond, they had some plants. And of course, there is so much hiking in Sedona. It seems like you could spend a whole week here just hiking. Our favorite trail was Cathedral Rock, as you can see, just absolutely stunning. And it was a pretty easy hike for the boys. We didn't go all the way to the top. If we would have kept going, you would have been kind of rock climbing to get to the top. So we just stopped right here, and the view was unbelievable. And Jalen put up his drone and we were able to get some amazing footage of Cathedral Rock. On one of the afternoons, we had a lot of fun playing in Oak Creek. Oak Creek runs all through Sedona, and it's just a great spot to cool off on a hot afternoon because this time of the year it is really hot in Sedona. Springtime would probably be a better time to go to Sedona if you wanted to do some hiking, but it was really fun to cool off and play in the water for a little while. On one of the afternoons, we decided to go for a little sightseeing drive, and we took the road that goes out of Sedona up towards Flagstaff. And here are some of the views that we saw along the way. We would highly recommend taking this drive. You end up in like a pine forest, heading up the mountain, and when you get to the top, the view is incredible. I hope that you guys enjoy getting to see a little bit of our trip to Sedona. We had a wonderful, relaxing getaway. If you are heading to Sedona and you're looking for a wonderful place to stay, I will have the link for that home down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.